It's Snowageddon.
Yeah,
Oh my God. Look at the snow, you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and look-see.
welcome back.
So much snow.
Yeah.
Look at that. I know, this is like up north. We got so much snow. Welcome back to another video. And we're out here in the snow. Look at that. It's gorgeous too. Because it's wet, it's like water. It's Snowageddon, guys. And we are enjoying the snow. Oh my God. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel. And we are enjoying the snow today. I don't even know how much this is.
This is a lot.
A foot. Earlier in the week, they were calling for like 1 to 3 inches. And then by the end of the week, they said 6 to 7 inches. But this is maybe a foot. I don't know. Oh boy, it's beautiful. And you hear it? You don't hear it, do you? You don't hear anything. Not even a plane going over. It's silence.
It's a beautiful day, man. I've never seen it so high in Charlotte.
I know, look at this.
Yeah, I've been here 10 years and I never seen it so high.
I should have put on my hiking boots because they're waterproof and they at least will keep your feet warm. So much snow.
Damn.
Look at that. Just stepping down into it. When you look back at it, look how much it is.
Mad in North Carolina, yeah. Yo, me I tell you, say 10 years me there, and me never see it so high, Catania. Out of 10 years, Catania, I never see snow so high, Catania. Ooh, beautiful, guys.
Now this is what you call a snowstorm.
Yes. For real.
Oh my God.
So a real snowstorm, man.
For real.
What's
Like,
going on?
look at all of this snow. And it's still coming down. Can you guys see it?
Yeah, baby.
Still
Like, look at the peoples over there coming out, the kids.
With the dog and the
The
kids.
kids dropping.
Oh my
just rolling.
God.
You need to drop in it and play like a kid.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
It's so much.
Yeah.
They going to Taylor's to play with the kids. Boy, this snow is so thick.
For real, man, I will eat, man. They say thick like you, Catania.
Thick like me.
Yeah. Oh, God, man.
I lost my phone. We're trying to call it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, boy.
Ain't that crazy?
Yes. Jesus.
Move it.
Cold.
Yep. That is it.
Oh, my bum bum is cold.
Oh, look at that. I need a glove. You need gloves, bro. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna get my gloves.
Kamar has to get his gloves.
Where the Chinaman I go on a year business?
Not my business. I said, where the Chinaman going? In the snow. Kamar said, that's not my business. I'm just concerned for his safety. You don't see this?
Like, really?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. That telephone.
Let's see if the mailman delivered today.
You think he do?
He did not.
Okay.
So they don't deliver.
Today.
That's their motto, we deliver.
Uh-huh. And they don't deliver today.
They don't deliver today. It's so just like plush.
Jesus.
Love it.
Yeah.
We really are snowed in this time. And it's still coming down outside, but it's almost 6 o'clock and just now starting to get dark. And I'm just in here kind of finishing up dinner. And I put some turkey wings in the crock pot this morning. And I normally don't even buy bread, but I went to Food Lion on a whim last night to get some bread to make some grilled cheese sandwiches. And I'm just making a little rice, which should be pretty much done. Some rice and some green beans. And of course, just some rolls and some snacks for my baby. So, we are just here chilling and staying warm. But we really got a lot of snow, and it was just a lot of fun. You was excited, babe?
Yeah.
To see so much snow. Just to see so much. We haven't gotten this much snow in, I don't know how long. It's been years. You've been here 10 years. We've never gotten this much. So.
First, massive, so much snow.
So much. Yeah, it looks like Cleveland.
Yeah.
When Joan posted a video of Danny shoveling out the snow.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's all snow, so it's soft. It's not ice, so it's not like slippery. It's soft, but very nice though. I love it. So I'm gonna make us some plates, and I'm gonna finish binge watching my show that I'm watching on Apple TV called Tehran. So. And it is the next morning, and look how much more snow we got. I need to get a ruler and measure it. And look at that Carolina blue sky coming through. And I wish you could see the trees way over there in the distance. The snow on those trees are so pretty. It reminds me of like trees you would see up in the mountains. And the sun is coming out, so some of it should start to melt today. It's going to be in the 30s. So and I want to clean up this snow over here by the door. I put this dish mat down to soak up some of the water, and I need to mop the floor because snow and just dirt and not really ice, because it wasn't ice, it was mostly snow, but you know when it melts, you know, it's just kind of watery. So I put this dish mat over here on the floor to soak up some of the water, and it was a 2-pack, so I'll just use the other one that I haven't used for the dishes, and maybe just keep this one right here for this purpose, really. I'm gonna mop the floor.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
So guys, this is crazy. This is how it literally cold in North Carolina. Like, look at this. I'm gonna actually wind down the window right now, and you're going to see the ice like literally stays in place. Look at this. Like really, a little bit drop inside, but it's still in place. It's still intact. Like that's crazy. Let me go back with it. Whoa. Like. It's the first me literally seeing like so much snow in North Carolina and so much ice on the car window. That me even literally wind down the window. Look, the ice is still there, and you wind it up back. Jesus, isn't that something else?
And we are out of the house. And it's nice and sunny. See it there?
It is. Lots of ice on the road, you know?
Yeah, still a lot of ice on the road.
Yeah.
The road in our neighborhood is kind of clear, but maybe around here they still got a few spots in the shade. And we're just really making a Starbucks run.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to get out of the house and get a little bit of the sun.
So you see how a lot of snow still up on the car. You see last weather, when was it? Last week we have a bad winter storm. Yeah, so it was mostly ice.
Like, the other day.
Yeah, it wasn't like powdered snow. So the government said it's up to you like to make sure. You see how a lot of powdered snow is on the car, and when we drive and it's fluing off. The government said if you're driving and the ice flew off your car and hit somebody's windshield, you're responsible for it.
Yeah, because you ain't got no business out here. So we just cruising the streets in our neck of the wood, checking out the roads, and the roads looking good. See the highway up there, huh?
You sure them look good?
Yeah, for the most part. Some of it look good. You see the highway rolling up there, so the highway free and clear.
Yeah, kind of people, but the people still have to be kind of careful, you think?
Yeah,
or you think they make sure, or you think them take care
of they may between the highways, yeah.
And just leave these little
this right here probably melted from the sun.
Oh.
But the highways, they might have cleared, I don't know.
Yeah, they might definitely cleared that, because that time me and, you know, I left them little road here for the sun dry.
Yeah. So we just cruising the streets in our neck of the woods.
Bugs, what can I get started for you?
Hi, may I have a tall hazelnut latte?
Okay.
And that's going to be hot with 4 pumps and no foam. You want some?
Okay.
That's right, babe. Thank you.
And a banana nut bread, warmed.
All right. Anything else for you?
I think that should do it.
Go around to the window.
All right. It's gonna be $10.50.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can pull around. Let me add some money onto my op. I had some money on my app, but it wasn't enough. So I just added $10. And you get,
Hey, how you doing?
and may I have the receipt? You get 2 stars per every dollar that you spend. So it depends. If you use them like a bank card, then you get 1 star. Huh?
I said that's the first item.
Then you get 1 star per every dollar. But I'm using like a Starbucks.
Thank you.
I guess maybe it was a gift card at one point.
That's it.
So, yep, that's it, baby.
Alright.
Got some Starbucks. Gotta do a little dance,
Oh, gee.
Cause look, I'm about to cut Starbucks out, y'all. About to get my new year started, for real, for real. You all right?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Water on you? Snow. I was like, what you doing?
Are we straight now? Ready to roll?
Ready to roll.